I tried Netcoins Pay app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I tried the Netcoins Pay app, I honestly didn't expect much. Another crypto card, another cashback promise, or so I thought. But after 7 days of testing it in real-world situations, the shocking truth is that Netcoins Pay makes crypto spending feel almost too easy. On day 1, I set up my account in minutes. Identity verification was smooth, and the app immediately offered me a virtual card I could use online. By day 2, I ordered the physical card and started exploring the app's crypto-to-cash features. Most people get this wrong, but Netcoins Pay isn't just a wallet, it's a payment bridge. It lets you spend your Bitcoin, Ethereum, or stablecoins directly at any merchant that accepts MasterCard. The conversion happens instantly at the point of sale, and the app shows exactly what you spent and which coin was used. By day 4, I tested rewards. Each purchase earned me up to 3% back in Bitcoin, not points, not miles, but real crypto. I used it for coffee, groceries, even a small Amazon purchase, and every time the transaction was smooth. By day 6, I appreciated how transparent the app was. There were no sneaky conversion fees or weird spreads on exchange rates. The dashboard tracked everything clearly, from spending to cashback earned. By day 7, the shocking truth was clear. Netcoins Pay actually makes crypto practical. It's simple, user-friendly, and surprisingly rewarding. You don't need to sell your crypto before spending. You just tap and go. If you've been waiting for a way to use your crypto in everyday life without the hassle, Netcoins Pay might be it. It's the perfect mix of convenience, transparency, and reward, a true glimpse into how crypto spending should work.